how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up Bybit on your screen first, and once you open up Bybit, you may head over to the Assets tab in the bottom left right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and once you open up Assets tab, you need to locate the option called Deposit. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, you need to select up a pair for yourself, for example USDT. So all you gotta do is simply tap on the option called USDT and like this, and select up USDT. After that, here you need to fill up this form in order to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. So from here, select the option called address, and from address, in order to select the address, you need to open up the Binance app. And then once you open up Binance, from the given interface, locate the option called Deposit from this also. So go ahead and tap on Deposit at the top. And from Deposit, go ahead to the option called Deposit Crypto. And from here, go ahead and select up USDT. And after selecting up USDT, from here you need to copy the address and select up your network, which may be for example BEP20. After that, once that is done, you may head back to Bybit, and in this section you may copy and paste the address and choose your network type, which is BEP20, and then select up the amount that you would like to transfer. So that's it. That is how you do it, following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.